Hey, John with Joyland Roofing here. I'm back to answer another question we get all the time, which is, how soon can you replace my roof? Or, how soon can you repair my leak? So let's jump right in and answer this question. When dealing with a standard single-family home, we try to keep an open window for scheduling between 3 and 4 weeks from the time we have a signed commitment. Now let's say you've got a party happening in 13 days after you sign up, and you'd really like to have the roof done by then. Look, I won't promise, but we do our level best to meet your deadlines whenever we can. We've even completed projects less than a week after quoting. When it comes to repairing roof leaks, we offer emergency repair services. This is a 24/7 service where you can call into the office and talk to one of our emergency repair roofers. We can usually be on site within an hour or two. Of course, this does come with an emergency fee, but hey, I'd pay to have water stopped from pouring into my house too. If the leak isn't an emergency, you can expect to be scheduled between 3 and 5 days from when you call in for a roof repair. Now when it comes to larger projects such as a commercial roof, we can get the replacement project rolling within 4 to 6 weeks, typically after a signature. This can vary depending on a few factors such as how long it takes for a permit to be processed, how long it takes for a warranty application to be approved, and finally, how long it takes for us to get the materials needed for the job. When dealing with commercial leaks, we can usually get a repair scheduled within 3 to 5 days. However, in some instances, we may be able to come out within a day or two. And I think that's a wrap. If you need help with roof replacement or repair of any kind, check out Joyland Roofing.